Hello guys, Jai Hind. Hope you all are doing well and welcome to S Online, an initiative by S Engineering Academy. The most important announcement is here. CSL Cochin Shipyard Limited announced permanent vacancy for trainee or executive 2024. So let's see what are the important details in this advertisement and I will share how can you apply for this post. Okay, at first you have to know that Cochin Shipyard Limited, a listed premier Maharatna schedule A company under Government of India. So let's see. Discipline and educational qualification table 1. Here it is mentioned if you have completed your bachelor degree with mechanical, electrical, electronic, naval architecture, civil and information technology, and with the 65% of the marks from a recognized university, then you are eligible to apply for this post. And the more post is available, human resource, and last one is finance. So you have to know that if you are belonging from this category, then you are eligible. So let's see what are the important dates. Commencement of online application is from 6th of December 2024 and the last date of online application will be 6th of Jan 2025. Number of vacancies and reservation: executive trainee for mechanical, total 20 vacancies are available. For electrical, 4, electronic, 2, naval architecture, 6, civil, 3, and IT, 2, human resource, 4, and for the finance, 3. Total 44 vacancies are released by the CSL. Okay, so if you have fill this form, fill this important post, then the posting of your after your selection, trainees shall be CSL Kochi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. You will be go there according to the CSL. Okay, and let's see most important data in this recruitment. Yes, so you have to apply for this post if you are low vision, deaf and PWD candidate. At first you have to know that PWD candidate, then you are also eligible for this post. And let's see the compensation and benefits place of posting. The candidate selected as executive trainee will have to undergo 1 year training, during which the trainee will be consolidated monthly stipend of rupees 50,000. Okay, after your 1 year of completion of your training, then 1 year training, executive training shall be considered for appointment as assistant manager E1 grade scale 1 with the 40,000 to 1,40,000 salary. Okay, so you have to remember 40,000 to 1,40,000 per month salary. And let's see what are the most important perks which will be here mentioned. Yes, basic pay 40,000, DA, HRA, perks and allowances, total you will get 80,280. That is approximately 14 lakh approximately per annum. Okay, the posting shall be CSL, any other CSL unit or project shall be desirable for CSL only. And the age criteria to apply for this post. At first you have to completed your BE Tech and your upper age limit prescribed for the post shall be 27 as on 6th of Jan 2025. Applicants should be born on after 7th of Jan 1998. Okay, and upper age limit relaxable will be given to 3 years for OBC and 5 years for SC and ST candidate. Okay, and post reserved for the respective categories also. And the method of selection will be go into 2 phases. First is objective type online test, which will be 60 marks for 1 hour only. Okay, in which contain general awareness 5 marks, English language 5 marks, and numerical ability 5 marks, reasoning 5, and subject based on your BE Tech 40. Okay, then total 60 marks for 1 hour. And second phase is GD or skill writing and personal interview. So this is the total marks in all the categories. Objective type 60 marks, group discussion 10, writing skill 10, personal interview 20. Then total 100 marks is applicable for your examination. Okay, so you have to know that you have to go through all these important phases. After then you will select. Next is here mentioned, that is reservation. Reservation, Government of India directive on reservation shall apply, which is applicable for everywhere. So here it is also mentioned. Okay. Next is qualification, which is qualification for mechanical, 65% marks, electronic, naval architecture, and next is service agreement. Yes, it is most important, service agreement. The selected candidates are required to execute a service agreement to serve CSL at least for a period of 5 years. Okay, it is not 5 years service, it is permanent service, but you have to work at least 5 years after successful completion of the training and to pay amount of rupees 5 lakh to CSL for violation of the agreement. So you have to know that you have to pay if you are violating the all the rule and regulation of CSL. You have to pay 5 lakh. Document to be uploaded, it is not needed for your information. Application fee, yes, you have to pay rupees 1000 non-refundable plus bank charge extra should be remitted using online payment, debit card, credit card, it is mentioned. Okay, and the examination form will be opened from 6th of December 2024 and the last date is 6th of Jan 2025. Okay, applicant belonging to SC and ST, no need to pay application fee. Okay, so they are exempted, SC and ST candidate are exempted for this important fee payment. How to apply? Yes, this is important. Applicant should go the website, this is mentioned here, www.cochincpr.in. In career page, CSL Kochi. Then you have to register yourself and submission of application in 2 phases. Okay, and online exams for various posts will be conducted simultaneously. Hence, applicants shall apply for 1 post only. Okay, so if you have applied 2 or most application, then you are disqualified. This is the important date, 6th December to 6th of Jan 2025. Next, general information, yes, it is also not needed to describe you. Next one is call letter. Yes, how do you know that your exam is when? So call letter shall not be sent or shortlisted candidate by post. They shall be informed by email through CSL website. Download call letter from www.cochincpr.in. Okay, so you have to know that you have to visit your email regularly, where you can find the mail which is from Cochin Shipyard Limited. Okay, next or not least, yes, it is the last one. If you need any type of help, then you have to contact via mail, helpdesk.csl9@gmail.com. So this is the great opportunity for you all if you are belonging the above mentioned category. Okay, so all the very best. Good luck to all of you. Jai Hind.